It's good to be clean.
Genie is at the production plant to get a checkup.
Oh, it's Diesel.
Hello, Genie.
Ew, you stink! Diesel, why are you so dirty?
I'm not that dirty. So what are you doing here?
Oh, I'm here for a checkup. And you?
I had some engine problems, but Teo fixed me up.
That's a relief.
Well, I'm off to work now.
Okay, bye, Diesel.
Later.
Hi, Teo.
Oh, hello, Genie.
Oh, your coveralls.
Oh, I got dirty while fixing Diesel. Speaking of which, I'm worried about him.
You are? Why, is he sick?
No, but he keeps breaking down because he doesn't wash.
Because he doesn't wash?
If Diesel washed regularly like you, he wouldn't break down.
Oh.
Genie is worried about her friend Diesel.
I'm back.
Oh, hi, Diesel.
Hello.
Hi. Diesel, you still haven't washed yet?
Why?
You're really dirty, Diesel.
Maybe you don't know this, but freight trains are always this dirty. Oh.
Hi, guys. Hello, Loco.
Hi, buddy.
Loco's a freight train, but he's clean.
Oh, whatever. I'm tired. I'll wash tomorrow.
What? So you're just going to bed like that?
If Diesel washed regularly like you, he wouldn't break down.
He has to wash. Diesel, go to the train wash and get clean.
Don't wanna.
Then I'm going to follow you around until you do. Diesel, I think it's best if you wash now.
But I'm tired. Fine, I'll go wash.
From now on, I'll make sure he washes so he doesn't break down anymore.
It's the next morning. Diesel is still in dreamland.
Diesel! Let's go wash!
I don't wanna.
Think I'll give up that easily. There. Okay.
Wonder where Genie's taking sleeping Diesel. Aha! The train wash.
Genie! I'm back.
Diesel! You're off now, right? Want to go somewhere fun with me?
Okay, where is it?
Follow me and you'll see.
I can't wait. This isn't fun at all. Quiet. Phew, she's not home yet. I don't have to wash today. Yay!
Diesel, you must always wash before bed.
Yikes!
It's the next morning. There's TITIPO and Diesel.
Diesel, good morning.
Yeah, TITIPO, have you seen Genie today?
She left for work already. Why?
Genie won't stop nagging, so I washed 3 times yesterday. I can't handle this anymore.
Why is she nagging?
Beats me. Anyway, I'm gonna make Genie stop once and for all.
Diesel?
What could Diesel be up to?
Diesel!
TITIPO!
You here for a wash? I need one too.
Hold on! Don't use that one!
Why? Hi, guys. Huh?
Hello, Genie. Use this one. I'll back up for you.
Oh, thanks a lot, Diesel. Oh, why are you laughing?
You see, I rigged this wash.
Ah!
Well, look who's dirty. This time I get to tease her.
What?
I bet she's filthy. Let's go and see.
Poor Genie.
Oh, here she comes.
Ah, so refreshing.
Why isn't she dirty?
I'll see you later, guys. See you, Genie.
But I rigged the machine. That's really weird. What went wrong? Did I forget a step?
Diesel, are you okay?
Genie, I'll get you next time for sure.
Diesel, maybe you should stop. Titipo, titipo.
Finished with work, Diesel is heading back to town.
Oh, it's Genie.
Welcome back.
Oh, a mud puddle. I can see it now. Yeah. Whoopsie, got you dirty. Payback time.
Good job, Genie.
Thank you.
Oh,
Okay, I'll see you tomorrow, Mr. Herb.
Rest up.
oh
Oh, Diesel.
no!
Diesel!
Yes?
You should never speed up like that to a platform. If I've told you once, I've told you many times.
I'm very sorry.
I don't want to have to keep
Diesel
repeating
got
myself,
lectured by
understand?
Mr. Herb
It's
until
very
the sun
dangerous to
came
speed
up.
like that.
This is it. Today is the day.
Diesel, where are you going so early? This is your day off.
I know, but Genie went to the sheep ranch to look at flowers.
Yeah, so?
Today's the day that I get back at Genie. Have to go later.
Diesel.
Where could Genie be? Huh. There she is. Oh, it's so heavy.
Diesel, are you working now?
Yeah. Oh, I feel sick. I think something is wrong.
You sound bad. Maybe you should go and rest.
I have a delivery to make. But I don't have any strength. Genie, think you can give me a push?
Of course, sure. Here I go. Heave ho. What is this?
Oh no, I'm sorry, Genie. You okay?
Yeah, I'm fine, Diesel.
I'm so glad to hear that. Oh, you know what? I think I'm all better now. I'll see you later then. Bye.
Diesel!
I got her back. Oh. What's wrong? Oh. Did I break down for real?
Diesel! What are you doing here?
I think my engine is broken again.
What? Again? Just wait here. Diesel!
Oh,
I'll link up to you and tow you to the production plant.
really? But don't you have to get a wash first?
Who cares about some dirt when my friend is in need?
I thought you didn't like it when I was dirty all the time. So that's why you've been nagging me to wash lately.
Oh, actually, Teo said you're not washing often was making you break down, so I was trying to help you.
Really?
What's wrong?
Well, I thought you were nagging me because you didn't like me. That's why I was trying to get back at you by dumping fertilizer on you.
What?
I'm sorry. Really. I had no idea you were just trying to help. Can you forgive me?
If you wash well from now on, I'll forgive you.
Okay, I'll wash every day. Thank you, Genie.
Now let's go and get you fixed.
It's the next day.
Hi, guys.
Whoa, Diesel! You look nice and clean!
Yep, from now on, I'll be the cleanest train in town.
I don't have to worry about you breaking down anymore.
That's right. I bet I'm cleaner than you now. What's this weird smell?
Oh?
Hmm. It smells like the fertilizer from yesterday.
What?
Someone needs to get a wash.
I already have 2 times.
Don't think so. I can still smell it. Oh, Titipo, you could use a good washing too.
What? But I just came from the train wash.
Well, that's not enough. You have to keep yourself extra clean.
Diesel.
Thanks to Genie, Diesel is now a clean green train. Good for you, Diesel.